Enjin Coin is on an absolute rampage over the last few weeks. My name is Kyle and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at some of the reasons as to why Enjin Coin may be pumping. If you're unfamiliar with what Enjin Coin is, don't worry, I'll give you a brief overview of that as well. Later in the video, we'll look at some of the price action charts and discuss some of the potential of Enjin Coin over the long term. But remember guys, this is not financial advice, I am not a financial advisor, and I'm not telling you to run out the door and buy Enjin Coin. I strongly believe that you should do your own research and be well informed before ever putting your hard-earned money at risk. Altcoins are very risky, they go up very quickly, and they can come down just as fast. But I understand with high risk comes high reward, so therefore I'm always interested in looking into some of these and even sharing some of my findings with you. Alright, let's get into the video. And here we are over on CoinMarketCap, starting off nice and simple. We see that Enjin Coin is trading at $2.47 and is up 9% on the day. Enjin Coin has risen to rank 50 and now has a market cap of $2 billion. The 24-hour volume has increased 27% up to 349 million, and the max and total supply of ENJ is 1 billion, with 834 million currently in circulation. Enjin Coin can be acquired on Binance, BitHum, Bittrex, KuCoin, just to name a few. So what the frig is Enjin Coin anyways? Well, let me bring you up to speed quickly as well as give you some potential reasons as to why it's absolutely pumping right now. So Enjin is a blockchain that is focused primarily on the gaming industry, more specifically on the creation of digital assets that are owned by the user. Users have ownership over their in-game items, which means that they can trade them and gain value in return. Enjin offers an ecosystem of integrated products that make it easy for anyone to develop, trade, monetize, and market with the blockchain. ENJ is the digital asset token used to directly back the value of blockchain assets created with the Enjin platform. It is built on Ethereum in accordance with ERC20 token standard. ENJ can be bought and sold for fiat currency or other digital currencies. Enjin Coin fuels the Enjin ecosystem, an Ethereum-based crypto used to directly back the value of Enjin-powered blockchain assets. The value of ENJ comes from its lockup mechanisms. As more and more items are created, ENJ is locked up, while when items are destroyed through burning, ENJ is released. Therefore, as the ENJ platform is used by more people, the ENJ supply actually decreases. Some of the catalysts driving the meteoric rise of Enjin Coin is Japan authorizing it as the first gaming token for use in Japan. Japan has a massive video game industry currently estimated to be around $20 billion, with projections of it increasing to $25 billion by 2025. In a statement from Enjin CEO Maxim Blagoff, he says, "From Super Mario to Pokemon to Final Fantasy, Japan is home to pioneering games that hold a lasting place in pop culture. We believe some of the world's best blockchain games will come from the Japanese gaming industry." Enjin also offers cheaper fees for NFT transactions. High transaction costs have been one of the biggest challenges facing the cryptocurrency community over the past 6 months, thanks to the increased use of Ethereum network by DeFi protocols and the increasing popularity of NFTs. Jumpnet, which is scheduled to launch on April 6th, aims to solve this issue for the NFT sector by allowing users to send and receive Enjin Coin and ERC 1155 tokens for free, as well as mint, trade, and distribute ERC 1155 tokens at no cost. Enjin also has future plans to integrate Affinity, a decentralized blockchain for NFTs that will support next-generation tokens, features, and assets from any blockchain. There have also been some recent gaming additions to the Enjin ecosystem: Age of Rust, the Six Dragons, Ludina Protocol, and South Korea's gaming-focused social app Game Talk Talk. Enjin Coin remains very well positioned to take advantage of the now booming NFT market. Enjin Coin also has secured partnerships with heavy hitters such as Microsoft, Samsung, Ubisoft, Unity, Hashport Accelerator, Integrated Engineering Block Consortium, just to name a few. Enjin Coin enables decentralized and transferable ownership of NFTs, the value of digital assets by the value of ENJ token, which can be melted back to it. The NFT market is slated to grow in a very big way over the coming years. Enjin is also involved in DeFi through the Aave protocol, where you can leave your ENJ and earn interest as other people borrow your coins. So as you can see, Enjin is busy positioning themselves for some pretty wild growth over the next few years. Let me know in the comments down below, are you bullish on Enjin Coin? Are you hodling it for the long term? And what do you think about Jumpnet coming out in April? Do you think this is going to cause an explosion in price? Or could there potentially be a sell the news event and perhaps a little correction before Enjin Coin continues to rise? Let me know in the comments down below, and let's get into the charts. And here we have Enjin Coin up on a daily chart, and as you can see, Enjin Coin's been marching its way up higher and higher off all that good news, as well as the NFT sector being a very hot topic. I see that Enjin Coin has had a little bit of a pullback here, coming into the 21 exponential moving average, and seemingly has found support and is now closing daily candle bodies above that red 10 simple moving average. Some people might be viewing this as a bull flag that's looking to resolve itself sometime in the short term, so perhaps we see a little bit more upside coming into the launch of Jumpnet just yet. Down below on the RSI is finding support in the neutral zone, is angled back towards the bullish control zone. The exponential moving average is still living in that bullish control zone, so it'll be very interesting to see how the RSI interacts with that exponential moving average when it performs a test of it. Down below on the stochastics, momentum up coming out of the bearish control zone, so overall looking good. So perhaps this coming week we see a little bit of short-term upside. The MACD histogram seems to be losing its negative momentum, so we'll have to keep our eyes on the histogram to see what the near term brings. Now, when I do toggle this out to a weekly, I see that Enjin Coin's been absolutely meteoric. Jack of the Beanstalk pumping these celery sticks to the upside, and it is looking a little bit extended at the time of recording. So I never FOMO into these kinds of moves. I like to typically accumulate before these moves happen, but being in a bull market, I like to buy the dips. I like to look for good dip opportunities for my reaccumulation zones. In this case here, if I was to be looking at this weekly chart, my first area of interest is going to be a couple of these moving averages. You see the red 10 simple moving average here coming in at around $1.14, and you see the yellow 21 exponential moving average coming in way down at 88 cents. Now, those will be the two moving averages that I pay very close attention to in Enjin Coin's overall uptrends as potential areas for reaccumulation. It's very important to note that these moving averages are going to be rising very, very quickly with each candle body that closes up around these higher levels here. And this weekly candle body is going to be closing in 9 hours and 41 minutes from the time of recording. So that 10 simple moving average will be reposturing itself very, very soon. And they'll just come up higher and higher. But those will be the two moving averages that I watch very closely throughout this bull market as potential reaccumulation zones. Anyways, you guys, congratulations to anybody making lots of money off Enjin Coin right now. Let me know in the comments below if you're an Enjin Coin bull and you're hodling it for the long term. Thanks for checking out this video. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. And until I do, have yourselves a powerful day.